Today's recipe is Palak Paneer. Palak is basically spinach and paneer is cottage cheese. The ingredients we require for this recipe are spinach. You can get a packet like this which is about 227 grams, or you can use fresh spinach leaves, 3 to 4 bunches. You need 1 onion which is cut and chopped into small pieces, 1 tomato cut and chopped small. You need 300 grams of cottage cheese. This is cottage cheese and I've cubed them. You need a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder, and we need a bowl of water. So to begin, what we need to do is we need to boil this spinach in water, in salt water, and then drain off the water from the spinach after it's blanched or boiled, and then we need to blend this into a spinach puree or paste. Okay, so we'll start with boiling the spinach. We can see the spinach, which is also known as palak, boiling in a pot of hot water, and we cook this. We boil the spinach in this water for 10 to 15 minutes till the spinach changes its color to a little dark green. This is how the palak looks after boiling it for 15 minutes. We will separate the palak, the spinach, from its water and place the spinach in the blender. We'll just add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of water while blending, so that it blends into a nice smooth paste. We've boiled the spinach and made it into a puree in a blender, which looks like this. We'll keep this aside. We'll keep the spinach aside and start off our next step, which is frying the cottage cheese. So what we need to do is we need to heat some oil in a pan, and I add a little salt to just avoid a little splashing of the oil. To this heated oil, I'll start adding the cottage cheese, the cubed cottage cheese. Once this cottage cheese is fried, what we need to do is we need to remove it from this oil and place it in this water, and we drain the water from the cottage cheese in the middle of our palms, pressing the water out of the cheese, and then we keep it aside and use it for the palak paneer. First, we start frying the cottage cheese. So just add them. This is 300 grams of cottage cheese. Fry them till light golden brown, and make sure to not burn the cottage cheese while it's frying, so you need to stir it a little. Fried well the paneer. Now what we need to do is we need to take off the paneer and put it in this water. So I'm transferring this paneer to this water. I want the cottage cheese, the paneer, to soak in this water well, and this will decrease. And then when we squeeze out the oil from this, it will be soft. Because if you don't do this method, your cottage cheese will remain cold. It will remain hard. So we do this. Now in the same oil, we can fry the onions. But before that, I'll just remove the excess oil from the pan, because I don't think we require so much oil to fry the onions and the tomatoes plus the paneer. So just remove all the excess oil that we've used for frying the cottage cheese. You could use enough oil to make the dish right. Okay. To this we add the onions. And we saute it well. While the onions are frying, we're squeezing the water from the cottage cheese. Make sure to be a bit careful because the cottage cheese is still hot while you're squeezing the water out. This will make the cottage cheese, the paneer, soft for the palak paneer dish. So we're squeeze the water out from the cottage cheese and place it in a dish. And we'll keep it as it is till we need it for the next step. These onions also turning transparent in color. At this stage we can add our spices. So I'll start adding the garlic paste first. Then add the cumin powder. I'll add the red chili powder, the turmeric powder, and salt as per taste. Just saute it well for about 30 seconds. These onions have been sauteing with the masalas, the spices, for 30 seconds. Now we can add the tomatoes. So we'll add the chopped tomatoes and just stir it well. Now we need to make sure the tomatoes get a bit soft and the oil begins to float. At that stage we will add the spinach paste or spinach puree. So we wait till tomatoes get cooked. The tomatoes are cooking well. You can see the oil seeping up a bit or floating around. Just stir while it's cooking because you don't want it to burn. And try to press the tomato a bit. The tomato looks almost done. At this stage I'll add the spinach, pureed spinach or spinach paste. We'll stir this well. Saute the spinach with the onion, tomato and the spices for at least 5 minutes. Add in all the cottage cheese, stir it well and cook it on low flame for 20 minutes. Then your palak paneer is ready to serve.